Ever wonder who is actually subscribing to your YouTube channel? Well, YouTube just dropped a feature that shows you for real. Let me show you where to find it. First things first, make sure your YouTube app is updated. This feature is pretty new, so if you don't see the option yet, you probably just need to update. Head over to the App Store or Google Play, search for YouTube, and hit that update button if it's available. Once that's done, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on View Channel. This will take you to your personal YouTube page. Right underneath your profile picture and channel name, you should now see a brand new button that says, See Your Subscribers. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll instantly see a list of people who are subscribed to your channel, along with their profile pictures, channel names, and when they subscribed. It's a really neat way to learn more about your audience and even discover new creators who follow you. Just a heads up, this list only shows subscribers who've made their subscriptions public. So, if someone set their subs to private, they won't show up here, but you'll still be able to see a good chunk of your supporters. And that's it. Super easy, right? I love that YouTube is giving creators more tools like this to connect with their community. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next update or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.